Imagine typing a simple sentence and watching it turn into a vivid, moving video. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real, and it's called Genmo.ai. This groundbreaking platform lets anyone turn imagination into reality by transforming words, images, and even 3D concepts into cinematic video content using the power of AI. It's more than just a tool, it's a portal into the future of storytelling. Whether you're an artist searching for a new edge, a content creator chasing viral visuals, or just someone who dreams in pixels, Genmo.ai gives you the power to create without limits. With just a prompt, the AI brings emotion, depth, and motion to your ideas, blurring the line between thought and reality. The possibilities are endless. The creativity is unmatched, and the future is already here. So ask yourself, what story will you bring to life next?